Hi guys, I'm Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of contemporary periods. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 325 up to part 15. Now this is part 16 of contemporary periods. So these questions are very useful for competitive exam, dear friends. तो यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार क्वेश्चन सीखना चाहते हैं, जानना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। शुरू करते हैं हमारे आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 326। Identify the writer whose plays are based on relationship. Identify the writer whose plays are based on relationship. Option A, John Whiting. Option B, Sir Terence Rattigan. Option C, Samuel Beckett. And option D, Christopher Pry. So the correct answer is option B, Sir Terence Rattigan. Now question number 327. The Sporting Life by David Story is influenced by his career as a professional. What was his profession? Option A, tennis player. Option B, football player. Option C, baseball player. And option D, rugby player. So option D, rugby player is the correct answer. Now question number 328. Which novel of David story deals with the love-hate relationship of two men? Which novel of David story deals with the love-hate relationship of two men? Option A, Fight into Come Option B, The Sporting Life. Option C, Radcliffe. And option D, none of these. So option C, Radcliffe of novel deals with the love-hate relationship of two men. Question number 329. George Orwell's Keep the Spedistra Flying deals with his contempt for the. Option A, upper middle class. Option B, higher class. Option C, lower middle class. And option D, lower class. So correct answer is option A, upper middle class. Upper middle class is the correct answer. Now question number 330. Which of the following is a collection of poems? Option A, I Like It Here, 1958. Option B, The Uncertain Feeling, 1955. Option C, Take a Girl Like You, 1960. Option D, A Look Round the State, 1967. So which of the following is a collection of poem? Option D, A Look Round the State, 1967. Now question number 331. Pamela Hansford Johnson is also known as. Pamela Hansford Johnson is also known as. Option A, Mary Snow. Option B, Lady Slow. Option C, George Eliot. And option D, Pamela Snow. So the correct answer is Lady Snow, option B. Now question number 332. Which of the following is considered the best work of Pamela Hansford Johnson? Option A, The Unspeakable Skipton. Option B, The Last Resort. Option C, Catherine Carter. And option D, The Humbler Creation. The Humbler Creation. So option A, The Unspeakable Skipton is the correct answer. Now question number 333. Question number 333. Which yes, which novel of Pamela? Which novel of Pamela? Yes, which novel of Pamela Hansford Johnson contains the portrayal of mad, self-centered novelist working on an endless book? Option A, The Unspeakable Skipton. Option B, The Good Listener. Option C, Cork Street Next to Hatters. Option D, The Honors Board. The Honors Board. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is The Unspeakable Skipton is the correct answer. Now question number 334. Identify the play of Arnold Basker, The allegory of which is heavily colored with mysticism. Option A, chicken soup with barley. Option B, roots. Option C, chips with everything. And option D, the friends. The friends. So the correct answer is option C, chips with everything. Now question number 335. Which play of Arnold Basker is a long elaborated study of socialism and social progress? Again, which play of Arnold Basker is a long elaborated study of socialism and social progress. Option A, I am talking about Jerusalem. Option B, their very own and golden city. Option C, chips with everything. And option D, chicken soup with barley. So the correct answer is option B, their very own and golden city. Now question number 336. Identify the writer who was the product of the Royal Court Theatre. Option A, John Arden. Option B, John Whiting. Option C, John James Osborne. And option D, Samuel Beckett. Samuel Beckett. So the correct answer is option C, John James Osborne. Dear friends, these questions are very useful. So listen these questions again and again for any competitive English exam. Question number 337. Which novel of Joyce Carey is inspired by his own career with the Nigerian political service? Option A, Prisoner of Grace. Option B, Mr. Johnson. Option C, The Captive and the Free. And option D, The Horse Mouth. So the correct answer of this question is option B, Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson, option B is the correct answer. Now question number 338. Anthony Powell worked as the editor of. Anthony Powell worked as the editor of option A, Punch. Option B, Bout. Option C, Knuckle. And option D, Times. So option A, Punch is the correct answer. Now question number 339. Name the writer of the famous novel Lolita 1965. Name the famous novel Lolita 1965. Write the writer of the famous novel Lolita. Uh, first option is name the writer of the famous novel Lolita 1965. Option A, Ralph Ellison. Option B, Harper Lee. Option C, Blandir Nabokov. Option C. Option D, Edward Lewis. Edward Lewis. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, Vladimir Nabokov. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 340. Who wrote such work as Travel with My Aunt, The Quiet American, and England Made Me? And England Made Me. So these four option A, Lionel Pauls Hartley. Option B, John Master. Option C, Evelyn Baugh. And option D, Graham Greene. So option D, Graham Greene is the correct answer. Graham Greene is the correct answer. Now question number 341. Which novel of 341. Which of the following novel is a trilogy? कौन से जो नॉवल है वो ट्रोलॉजी है? ऑप्शन ए द गो बिटवीन. ऑप्शन बी यूस्टेस एंड हिल्डा. ऑप्शन सी द हायरलिंग. एंड ऑप्शन डी द बिटरेड. सो ऑप्शन बी Eustace and Hilda is the correct answer. Now question number 342. Which novel of Anthony Powell includes a question of upbringing? Which novel of Anthony Powell includes a question of upbringing? Option A, Music of Time. Option B, The Buyer's Market. Option C, Casanova's Chim's Restaurant. And option D, The Kindly Ones. The Kindly Ones. So the correct answer is option A, Music of Time. Music of Time. Now question number 343. Name the writer of the Darling Birds of May 1950. Yes, 1958. When the Green Boots Laugh 1960, and The Greatest People in the World 1941. So these four options are option A Graham Greene, option B Herbert Ernest Bates, and option C Anthony Powell, and option D Lionel Poles Hartley. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B Herbert Ernest Bates. Now question number 344. 344. Which of the following novel is about India and Burma? Which of the following novel is about India and Burma? Option A A Gun for Sale, option B The Kindly Ones, option C Sword of Honor, and option D The Jacaranda Tree. So option D The Jacaranda Tree is the correct answer. Now question number 345. Fear Stood the Wind for France 1945 by Herbert Ernest Bates is his best known collection of option A detective stories, option B historical stories, option C adventurous stories, and option D travelogues. So option C adventure stories is the correct answer. Now question number 346. क्वेश्चन नंबर 346 है क्वेश्चन है आइडेंटिफाई द नॉवेल ऑफ जॉन मास्टर वेयर इन द राइटर shows a sympathetic understanding of the professional soldiers. Option A Night Runner of Bengal, option B Bhavani Junction, option C The Field Marshal's Memoirs, and option D all of the above. All of the above. So option C. Option C The Field Marshal's Memoirs is the correct answer. डियर फ्रेंड दिस वाज द सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो। तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके। 347 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए कलेक्शन ऑफ पोएम्स किंग्सले एमएस। ऑप्शन ए टेक ए गर्ल लाइक यू, option B the uncertain feelings, option C the anti-death league, and option D a look round the state. So option D a look around is the a look around the state is the correct answer. So these are some questions, dear friends. Thank you for watching this video.